Welcome, Sangeeta. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And it's a pleasure to have you here. And whenever I talk about you or when I speak to you, from something is there in my heart chakra, I feel so much love and respect for the good work you are doing. And I want everybody to know the food packets which you are distributing and the worldwide people, how people are connected with you in your healing group and they are getting healing from you in your daily sessions. So I really want to bless you, and we need more people like you, and I'm so proud of you. You inspire me, you should know this. So before I start the session, I want to remember a very pure soul who is my husband's classmate, and we all lost him yesterday night. He is Mr. Anshu Sahai, who is the owner of Sahai Eye Hospital, Jaipur, a leading eye specialist. So I want to, like, since today morning, my husband is like really shocked, and even I am reminded because we were into chat that he was very interested in coming to this show and take a session for parenting and children, and suddenly there is a news that he is no more. And why I am remembering him is like such good human being and my friend, like he was always there with both of us, and especially my husband. And he was one person. My husband told me whenever we were in like close times कि मैं अंशु से कभी भी बात कर सकता हूँ और कभी मुसीबत पे, तो अंशु इज़ वन ऑफ द पर्सन आई लुक अपॉन टू सीक एनी एडवाइस or being with him. He was always there as a strong pillar for my husband. I also remember at this moment, it is a spiritual session, all the people who have lost their loved ones. So I feel for them, and I pray for all the departed souls. And this is really not easy, I know this, but prayers will reach them. That's the purpose. And before I start the session, one thing important, I want to create listening for the people कि हम एक अपना point of view आपको दे रहे हैं, and like it is up to you to take all the good things to make your life powerful, to make your life happier, to have your parenting as a love experience. That's the motive that Sangeeta Raka is here and I am here doing this. That's our intention, that's our context. I got yesterday, and secondly I want to really like ask people that this is one distinction I have learnt in my life, और आपने भी सुनी होगी, not judging anyone. So मैं चाहूँगी, और मैं खुद को भी ये प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ, not to judge myself, not to judge anyone, not to judge my children, not to judge anyone, and it's difficult. I go into that domain. कल किसी ने मुझे रात के 12:30 बजे, रेस्टोरेंट ओनर, ओनली एन एक्वेंटेंस, उन्होंने मुझे मैसेज किया, 5 मैसेज किए कि देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ डार्क सर्कल्स दैट आई एम हैविंग इन माई अंडर माई आईज. सो आई, of course it was good, I got reminded, because I generally, it's the way I am, and I am the way I am, that's the there. But I was just wondering कि in the video, like there was nothing about the yesterday's career talk, while it was the dark circles like which he noticed and like the attention went there. So my request to people, like just that this is something, like if you will think that we are giving gold to you, you will get gold. I can bet my life these 15 minutes Sangeeta is going to give gold to you. And I know her in my past, she has been my mentor also in pranic healing. I always say she has trained me. So a very important topic coming to you, and I know you will really have a beautiful bouquet and flowers, all colors set together for the parents and children. Like, what is spiritual parenting, Sangeeta? Spiritual parenting kya hai?
Okay. Thank you so much, Nani, for having me here, and it's like thank you for allowing me to give back to the people from where I have learned. So thank you so much. First, before I begin with, you shared about your friend whom you lost. So all my prayers, all my blessings for the departed soul, may he rest in peace. And may the family get the strength to bear it, because it's not that he's gone, it's the family who's going to suffer. So may they be blessed. Coming to spiritual parenting, now spiritual parenting or may sound like, are we trying to make them monks? Are we trying to make them, this is what we don't want, because the word spirit, the moment you put it spiritual parenting, it's like we don't want to make the children monks, they have to be in this society and they should be learning about. But what is spiritual parenting is much, much more. It's like more on the grounds of character building, which you and me and every parent wants to look at. It is it is much, much more to do. It's to understand what are, it's like, what is spirit? Spirit is energy. Spiritual comes from the word spirit. And spirit is the energy, the life force. So understanding the life force connected, we are all made of this life force. We have heard about, हमने सुना भी है कि पंच तत्व होते हैं और हमको पंच तत्व से आते हैं और पंच तत्व में नहीं जाते हैं. अब पंच तत्व में सब कुछ होता है, अच्छी चीज भी आती है, बुरी चीज भी आती है. We have seen about it. Weeds also grow and nice fruits also grow. Which plant are you nurturing? Because I take children as those plants, those roots. What you are going to nurture them, what type of life force you are going to give them, that is going to stay with them. So this is exactly what is spiritual parenting. It has nothing to do with making them monks, asking them to renounce the world. No, we are not here for that. We are basically uh, helping them to actually live a quality life, a life with inner peace. And that is, I think, the need of the hour. So this
Yeah.
is what spiritual parenting is about, that this facet is what we need to discover. What are we giving? What is the listening we are created? You very powerfully said, this is the listening I want to create, that we don't have to be judgmental. Amazing. So what are we doing since morning till evening? How are we talking to our children? These are the very small things.
Correct.
Do unto others what you want them to do towards you.
Yes.
Correct. If I don't
Yes.
want that my children should back answer me, my children should listen to me. Spiritual parenting comes here, where I need to give an ear to what are they saying. This is one part of it. Second part is connecting them to the divine. You may be knowing about it right now. A lot of children are going into depression, a lot of children are facing the psychological problem. And if you ask them, what do you want to do? Well, I don't know. Okay, did you sit for an hour alone? I can't sit alone. I'm scared of being alone. Why? There is no connection. So how to connect yourself with your inner self? एक जिंदगी बाहर की जीते, एक जिंदगी खुद से मैं क्या हूँ, मैं पहचानूं. और वो हमें प्लेटफॉर्म देना पड़ेगा हमारे बच्चों को, कि वो अपने इमोशंस खुद डील कर पाए. They need to learn how to deal with their emotions. There's so much of emotions which needs to be learned. So there comes the concept of spiritual parenting, and it is very important concept. Yeah. Would you like to
Yeah,
add
and
something to
this
it?
will start. Yeah, yeah, and this will start from the beginning, from the small child. ऐसा कोई एज नहीं है. If somebody will ask कि कब से करना है, you have to start at any time. Even the small child will be seeing the मंदिर का घंटी or the chanting of any religion which people have, the mantras or the duas or the prayers people have. Children will understand the structure. And here, just to add on, this spirituality is above religion. It is
Yeah, I was
a
about to come to that.
pathway
Yeah.
to be.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's to be silenced, to be connected. अरे एक इनविजिबल वर्ल्ड है, अभी फील करेंगे तो प्रेयर कैसे आंसर होती है. कोई तो है जो वहाँ से आंसर कर रहा है. So when this connection, and it is easy to be established, that is there, the purity of
So,
heart and mind. So yeah.
so as you rightly said, that when does it begin? You know what I would say? It became from the first day when your child was born. Holding that child close to your heart is opening your heart chakra and the child's heart chakra. Transferring of unconditional love to the child. That is where the spiritual parenting understands. You know, you and me know about heart chakra and the crown chakra and the different chakras about it. These are all the energy centers. So the moment
Yeah.
I start operating from there. As you said, formative years are very, very, very important because
Very
that's where
important.
the value system is imbibed. That is where you can deepen the connection with your own self. And the moment you do that, the moment you start, it becomes easy for you to handle. It becomes easy for, like, for example, we resort to easier ways. Instead of sitting and talking to the child, or if you, I want my way, take this mobile and play for a while, I want to do my work. Is there anything bad? Nothing bad. After 10 years, when the child is holding that gadget for 12 hours, why am I feeling bad? I should not, because I was the one who trained that when you are bored, when you are not feeling good, when you want to run away from the world, you take hold of this. This was imbibed. So this is spiritual parenting. That is we are character. What is spirituality? It is a connection. It is teaching the imbibing the value system. Because before you get, and as you rightly said, it is above the religion. I may chant 100 mantras, but if I don't have the perfect character building, am I a spiritual? Have I done that? No. So what is more
So
important is
what I got from your talk is love is very important, and the what I am understanding जो आप बता रही हैं अभी, that the love is the like the supreme emotion or the supreme energy, जो vibration, the which vibration we need, the frequency we need to vibrate. I should say the mother of all divine energy, it can be said. And rightly said, formative years, again I will insist here that till 8 9 years the child is into hypnosis, everything goes into the subconscious, so that subconscious
absolutely.
programming as an influence. And right now also, my dear parents and everyone, 90% whatever we are thinking doing is in our subconsciously, which is happening, which is giving us commands that our body is following. और जो गलती हुई है 12 साल, इट विल टेक टाइम. सो वी नीड मेंटर्स लाइक यू. अभी आज तो आपने हमें बता दिया लाइक 2 थिंग्स 3 थिंग्स 4 थिंग्स. सो नाउ नहीं, इट इज लाइक ज्वाइनिंग यू एंड प्रैक्टिसिंग इट. आज प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, कल करेंगे, परसों करेंगे, देन मास्टरी विल हैपन, राइट? बिकॉज डू यू थिंक सो दैट मेंटरिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट?
Of course, and it is important that because most of the problems which an adult faces has its roots in the childhood. Right now, we are doing a program called Heal the Inner Child. Now, what is this Heal the Inner Child? It's basically the roots are connected to the childhood. My dad shouted at me at that point of time in front of everyone. This became a fear that I cannot speak to my boss. I cannot connect to my boss because I'm always scared of somebody shouting at me. So this is very important to learn for parents, how to communicate, how to give them a feedback, how to tell them this is incorrect, because we always think ye galat hai, galat hai, galat hai. We have to sit with them, understand with them what is their brain thinking. Do a lot of talks, because whatever wounds you will leave there, that will have a very big impact in their future years. And
Yeah,
those
yeah.
will leave an incompletion in their lives to come. So it is very important that those first 9 years or 10 years, as you rightly said, is it's like laying of a strong foundation, teaching them to connect with them, asking them to understand. Very simple thing they can do is just ask them to sit in silence, observe their body. What are they feeling? We are making them sensitive. We are making them sensitive towards their own body, towards their own energy system. And if we can make them, they can feel what is right, what is wrong.
Yeah,
They will become
Pragna,
better decision makers. Yeah.
Pragna Bhandari, thank you for the thumbs up. Even I gave a thumbs up when you gave the thumbs up. The viewer who is watching and giving it. So this you have given gold. That we are our inner childhood, the program which you are doing. This is really gold which you have given. So people should get this. That is why I am showing this. And yeah, please. Now I'm interested to know just like 1 2 3 4. What can I do? What is the pathway? Like thoda sa or which so that I as a
Okay.
parent.
Okay. So first thing is, when we are talking to our children, we need to know what are they going through. Listening, as you rightly said, listening to them. Second, observe silence. Observe silence. Let them understand to sit in silence. understand their body, understand what are the emotions, give them the power of expression. It is very good to chant mantras, to tell them, say, okay, if you're feeling that, let us work on it. Like, for example, it can happen as a weekly ritual. You sit down and you talk about, okay, what are you feeling? How can you deal with this? So it's just chanting of any mantra, anything what you feel, just praying to God. Simple thing, whichever supreme energy you believe in. It is nothing to do with, they are all different paths leading to the same supreme light, universal light. Understanding the cosmic energy. Why do I feel good when I go to a temple or a mosque? Why I don't feel good when I go in a crowded place? What is the difference? Now, if we can teach the children about it, they will know where are they doing, what is the kind of energy, what they should be doing. Simple rituals, sitting, doing some physical exercises. Why is it important to do physical exercises with them? Because that will allow them to release their energy. So it is very,
Right.
very important. Few days are very important, like full moon day. We need to tell them that why is this important. I think we should take this talk in the next session where they
Yeah,
understand
we'll do
what is
that.
full moon. So these are few things, chanting of sitting, blessing. Say, okay, if you want to do anything, I really like that, is what you want people to do towards you. Start doing that. If you want people to speak softly to you, you start speaking softly. If you want in future you should earn a lot of money, then open your heart chakra, be generous, honesty, all things, it will start coming. So you sit and talk to them. When you sit and talk to them, it starts coming up. So they need to understand. Ask them to connect to their divine. What is your intuition saying? What is your inner feeling saying? अभी क्या करने का मन कर रहा है? Even if the child says that मुझे चिल्लाने का मन कर रहा है, it is okay. Why? Let that expression come out. So these are few things. First, observe silence. Pray to God. Pray to any universal. And if you don't know universe, okay, to the supreme power. Thank you for your blessings.
Yeah.
And if we can do that
Yeah.
also, that also helps a lot. So we can just start off with
Yeah.
that. And very, very important is start building the value system. And in order to start building the value system, me as parent, I will have to lead by example. That's
Correct.
very, very, very important.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And here, just to end it, just very powerful. Your silence is powerful, listening is powerful, having the gratitude and then blessing, love, and getting connected to the inner emotion, the sixth thing which you told. So these are, and chanting the mantras and the prayers in your own way. This is what you said, the seventh thing. What I see on your face is a lot of peace, bliss. So this is, a state because you are daily into practice. So this also I'm getting present that this would be when this is in parenting, when as a parent I am at peace and I am with a lot of good feeling in from my inside. I can do in anything, which for my child, like in really giving the value system which you are talking. And this value system, just to add, because I am into parenting, it goes like in the early childhood it is being instilled, and then when the child is in the teens, like 13, 14, this is being rehearsed and practiced by the child, the value system. It comes like the child's expression in how the child speaks and the personality of the child. And 18 years above or 20, like we are fully formed individuals with that value system. So this is one cycle. So any last message? Thank you so much for being here, and just I would like you to end in 1 minute is there. You can end. It's 19 minutes. Thank you so much.
Operate on your heart chakra. Whenever you want to convey it or when you want to talk to your children, just tap your heart chakra. Your heart chakra is here in the center of the chest. Just operate from the heart chakra, the unconditional love.
Yeah.
And a
And
lot
I
of
have
blessing. Yeah.
I've
You
just
had something to
posted
say?
your heal. Yeah, I have just posted healing at the Sangeeta and our active parents mentoring group also for people. This can be shared to other parents also, the people who want to connect with us directly and who want to be in this spiritual journey with you.
Yes.
Yeah.
One more thing which I would like to add last is teach your children power of visualization, strong visualization. Sit with them and teach them the power of visualization, because visualizing is creating energies what you want. If we are able to do that, they will be self-sufficient in their lives with a lot of inner peace. So you also start
Yeah.
visualizing what you want your children to be and ask your children to be that also. So it's like vice
Yeah.
versa. And it's like
Yeah.
the family is going to be always in the state of bliss and happiness.
Yeah, this is also gold which you gave now. So I want to show this so that people remember this. Because see, people are working on this visualization because the subconscious works on that. And NLP is one
Absolutely.
program. Every Tuesday we talk, Meeta Mathur is there. We talk about the parenting and children with NLP, and every Thursday you are there. So this is again an opportunity. So
Absolutely.
Sangeeta, my all gratitude for, may God bless you and may you reach globally to all people, just like Tony Robbins and more than him, not to be compared. You are in your way. This is just appreciating him, so that because he's also doing good work. So Sangeeta, thank you so much for being here, and looking forward for your next session, that how do we do spiritual parenting. This you would be
Done.
addressing next. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nahid.